Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple site on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after you creating your account, you will just open it and log in. And to create a new website, click on new website in the upper right corner on your website list. So just tap to new website, and after you can choose to have a temporary domain for your website during the website creation process in your client area. So you will just choose it temporary domain. So later, once you have decided that you want to change the domain for your website to a new or existing domain, so you can follow the instructions in changes your site domain name tutorial and perform the domain change. So once you decide your or the domain name, you will just change it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.